Hi, welcome back to Music and Theatre Education. If you're new here, I'm Miss Ezzy, and welcome to my online classroom. Today we're going to be having a look at some slightly more complicated 6/8 rhythms. Okay, let's recap the 6/8 rhythms we already know. So, firstly, what is 6/8? The number at the top, remember, tells us how many beats there are, so there's 6, and then the bottom number tells us what type of beat, and the 8 means a quaver. So we have 6 quavers in every bar. Now, some of the rhythms we already know are ta, ti, ti, ta, tam, and ti, ti, ti. Now, if we clapped a full bar of each of them, this is how it would sound. Ta, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ta, tam, tam, ti, 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 ti. And remember, 6/8 is a compound time signature, so we feel every beat in 3 instead of 2. Okay, T equals ticker. Now in a TTT, we can replace any of these T's with a ticker, just like this. And here are our new rhythms and our TTT. You'll notice that all of our new rhythms replace one or more of these T's with a ticker. I'm going to clap your whole bar of each of these. That means I'm going to clap them twice. T, T, ticker, T, T, ticker. T, ticker, T, T, ticker, T. Ticker, T, T, ticker, T, T. These ones replace 2 with tickers. T, ticker, ticker, T, ticker, ticker. Ticker, ticker, T, ticker, ticker, T. And our big whammy one replaces all of our T's with tickers. Ticker, 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 ticker. That one can get a little bit tricky to say. Okay, we're going to try a rhythmic dictation, but I've got a strategy for you to help you make 6/8 dictation so much easier. First thing you do is you just add 6 quavers above every bar, with your correct groupings, of course. Okay, let's listen to the dictation. It goes like this. Okay, so how do we use this strategy to help us? I'll show you. So let's just break down our first bar. We heard da, 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 da. Let's do it with tapping along. Da, 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 da. I'm going to mark every time I hear a sound on a quaver. There might be more than one. So we have da, 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 da. Okay, now I can transfer this onto my stuff. If I heard one sound on a quaver, it's a quaver or a T. If I hear 2 sounds, it's a ticker. So this becomes T, ticker, ticker. Okay, this next one, we heard one sound, which would be a T, but it was held across 2 quavers. What's 2 quavers worth? A crotchet or a tar. And then at the end, we had another 1 sound on a quaver, so we're back to a T. So we had T, ticker, ticker, ta, T. Let's try the second bar. So we heard da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. See how quick that makes it? So let's have a look. We've got one sound on our T again, so that's definitely going to be a T. Then we have one sound on our quaver or our T, but this time it held across again, so 2 quavers equal a crotchet or a ta. So we've got T, ta. And then we finish off with T, and then there's 2 sounds which makes it a ticker, and then T. T, ticker, T. I'm going to clap and say this rhythm. Feel free to do it along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. T, ticker, ticker, ta. T, T, ta. T, ticker, T. Okay, grab a piece of paper because you're going to try it now. Here is your dictation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let me show you how I would shorthand it. So we heard da 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 da. Ticka T T T T T. And now for the second bar, we had da 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 da. Da 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 da. So ticka ticka T T T ticka. And there is your answer. And there you go. You've got some brand new rhythms and you've now got a strategy to help you rock those 6/8 rhythmic dictations. Thanks for joining us on Music and Theatre Education. I hope to see you again soon, and until then, keep on that theatre adventure.